Letter S can make two sounds, S and Z, like in the word bus and cars. Here it says Z. Why that happens? Let's check out these words too. Books, apps, cats, dogs, cars, kids. So here it says Z and here it says S. Why that happens? So this is mainly because of voiced and unvoiced sounds present before letter S in the words. What are voiced and unvoiced sounds? Say these sounds k, p, t. Do you feel any vibration on your throat while saying these? No. That means these sounds are unvoiced sounds. And g, d. Is there a vibration? You can check by putting your hand. Yes, there is a vibration. So which means these sounds are voiced sounds. So whenever there is a letter making voiced sound before S, like g, d, b,